Okay, good evening everyone. I wanted to start by showing you the homework this year and kind of going over it so everybody is on the same page. So every night they should bring home 3 things: their homework folder, 5-subject notebook, and a book they want to read. Okay, and they'll start to get to pick out books later in the week in my library once they learn how to use it. So the first thing you want to look for is their homework folder. There's a dojo sheet in front, and each day you'll see how many points they get. Okay, if it's 0 and higher, that's great. If they're on negative points, then there's a little bit of concern right there, so you need to check out dojo to see what's going on. In the front, when you open it up, this is where the parent notes goes. Please take everything out of here every night, unless it's something that needs to be returned the next day. Put it back in here and I'll get it. Also, if you need to send me notes, put it right here. I have the students check that every morning. This, please don't worry about this. This is a lesson I do with the students on Friday, so it says sign here. Don't worry about that. Only do the front one. Then at the back, this is where their homework goes as far as math and sheets like that. So that'll be in the back. It's due on Friday. They can do it in one night, or they can separate it out all week. Then their reading log menu is here, okay? They do not do all 3 every night. They do 3 for the whole week. So like on Monday, they could do an appetizer. They read 10 minutes in a book, and then they do an appetizer. Tuesday, they read 10 minutes in another book or a chapter. Then they do a main course. And on Wednesday, they can pick a dessert to do. That's how we want them responding to their reading. They respond in the 5-subject notebook in the reading section, which it should be the second section. So they find reading, they flip over, and there they go, okay? And on Thursday, I asked them to read again, but draw me a picture of whatever they were reading about. Then you flip over, and they have spelling words. Here's the spelling menu. This, I know it says September, but please use September for August and September, since it's a short month, since we're just starting spelling this week. They have 5 spelling words. You're going to find those spelling words right behind there on a note card. I make them write it so they get practice. Okay? And they do spelling in the spelling section of their 5-subject notebook, which is right here in the front. And I usually will have them divide it in thirds so we're not wasting paper. And you just initial each night. If they have another way they want to practice, say they want to go out in the snow when it snows, or sand or anything like that, just write me a note and I'll get it, okay? So that is spelling homework, okay?